made LCM project. LCM meaning it stands for least common multiple. Means the least common multiple of two number is smallest number, that is number of both of the table. So come on, let's solve. The questions are 6 and 9, 16 and 6. These are the steps which I made to use in this project. Come on, let's make. The question is 6 and 9. Yes, this is 6 and 9. This here is 9 table. And here we go 6 table. Come on, let's make. First goes 6 table. 6 2s are 12. 9 2s are 18. 6 3s are 18. And here we go. We got same multiples. So the answer is 18. Simple. Next question, 16 and 6. Come on, let's do it. 16 and 6. Come on, let's do it. Here we go, 6 table. And 16. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 16 2s are 32. 18 48. 24 64. 30 80. 36 96. 42 112. 48. Here we go, again 48. So the answer is 48. 6 8s are 48 and 16 3s are 48. So the multiple is 48. Here we go, 48. LCM is simple to do in this way, but in notebook it is this simple than this.